DK tuning. Today's video is on this Fiat Punto. It's a 1.4 and we've done a full custom catback on it with one res box as well. So hopefully it's going to be a nice, deeper tone. We've got nice MIG welds on it as well, so it's a really nice looking system. And now we're going to take it out for a quick rip and see what it sounds like. So as you can hear guys, it sounds loads better now it's got the DK tuning touch on it. So if you want, like him, a full custom catback with a one res or no reses, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.